I'll be using these products for treatment.
Okay.
One obvious one that I know is one I want to share now. I have a friend, she's married. She doesn't always have urge for sex. Then I recommended Ronglue to her.
Ronglue capsule.
Yeah, to her. So she used it. She now called me and said, "Okay, what is happening? That she can't believe it. That she's the one running after her husband now. That even her husband is even surprised. Because this kind of person that she have self-control. But this time she could not control
herself.
Yeah. So she had to call me and tell me. So I said, wow, you're not the one looking after your husband for sex. So
that's the testimony you are sharing with us.
Yeah.
So this was gotten through this our wonderful Aris Ronglue capsule.
Yeah.
So it enhances libido.
Yeah. I have another testimony. That one is from Benue. I have a client in Benue. She has become a member now.
Okay.
She's been using Gufebal.
Okay.
So she has a sister of hers who has been married for years now. It's even on WhatsApp now. She posted the baby. So through this Gufebal, her sister took in, has even delivered. She posted it on WhatsApp. So when the first time she used Gufebal, she said something came out of her. She posted what came out of her on WhatsApp. So people in Benue are now calling her because they have some obvious
testimony.
Yeah, the thing that came out from her was really big. So she now posted it. It's majorly of Gufebal that she buys. About 2 days ago, we built Gufebal to her too.
Good.
Yes,
Thank you very much, Mrs. Uegu Ada.